2010 Mercedes E350 sedan. The radio had an issue, and it was like making like a lot of noises on the speaker. So I searched on the internet, and this is the two connector that, because of the water, you see the damages. The water damaged these two connectors, so they connect to each other. All these wires are color coded, so you won't miss it. So as long as you pay attention a little bit, these wires are connected to the small male connector, and these are connected to the female connector. So what I did, I cut these out and I just put them straight like that. These are for the audio. These are responsible for the audio sounds. There was no sound before, so I'm gonna go ahead and check to see. What I did was I cut them and I welded together, and then put electrical tape to make sure that there's no you see that? Those are the ones that I did. So let me go ahead and check it to see if I have the sound now or not. All right, let's see. Before when you would turn it on, it was like making noise, no sound. There you go, perfect. So if you have this issue, that would be the first thing that I asked, that I would check. These are the two connectors. So I went ahead and obsolete these connectors. I'm gonna throw it away. So although I ordered two brand new ones from Mercedes, but it needs like the connector inside, and it needs a lot of other stuff you need to do. You just have to put all those connector inside. Let me see if I show you. You see all those inside? Those you need to remove it and put it on the other one, or order a new one. It has like a special tool or something for this. So the easiest way is to just go ahead and there's plenty of room between those wires over there.